Getting around a city by bus or train is easy when you know the right English phrases. Sarah, I always get nervous buying tickets and asking for directions on the train.
Then this lesson is perfect, William. Let's ride together.
All aboard. In this lesson, William buys a ticket and asks for help getting to the right platform. I'll be the traveler.
And I'll be the station worker.
Excuse me, I'd like a ticket to downtown, please.
Sure. One way or a round trip?
Round trip, please. How much is it?
That will be $6.
Which platform does the train leave from?
Platform 3 in about 10 minutes.
Do I need to change trains?
No, this one goes straight downtown.
Great. Is this ticket valid all day?
Yes, it's valid until midnight.
Let's break down the vocabulary. A one-way ticket goes in one direction. A round-trip ticket goes there and back. A platform is where you wait for the train. To change trains means to switch to another train. And valid means the ticket can still be used. With these words, you can travel by train anywhere. Excuse me, does this bus go to the museum?
Yes, but you'll need to get off at 5th Street.
How many stops is that?
About 4 stops from here.
Could you tell me when to get off?
Of course. I'll let you know.
Thank you. Do I pay you or use a card?
You can tap your card on the reader.
Like this.
Perfect. Have a great trip.
Let's practice. Repeat after William. First, I'd like a ticket to downtown, please. I'd like a ticket to downtown, please. Now, which platform does the train leave from? Which platform does the train leave from? Try. Does this bus go to the museum? Does this bus go to the museum? And, could you tell me when to get off? Could you tell me when to get off?
Fantastic. Now you can travel with confidence.
Today we learn how to buy tickets and use buses and trains. We learned one-way and round trip, and how to ask about platforms and stops.
The magic phrase is, could you tell me when to get off? It always helps.
If these lessons help you, please subscribe and share with a friend who's learning English.
Like the video and comment. Do you prefer the bus or the train?
Thanks for riding along with us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.